In this video, I'm going to show you how to compare two GPUs in the web. Head to your favorite browser and search the following: GPU comparison, or you're gonna find the link down below in the description. Here you can find a website called userbenchmark.com. Click on it and then you'll be good to go. In this page, you can literally compare any GPUs you would like. For example, I would choose my current GPU, RX 580. Here it is. I'm gonna click on compare and I'm gonna choose it. Right here I could see all the information I would like. I would even choose a game for my options. And I could see a lot of samples right here. Note that this is real data, and you can find that some samples, as you can see right here, are actually my same setup. I'm gonna go back and I'm going to show you how to really compare. Then I'm gonna go ahead and choose another GPU. Make sure that I tagged this with the check mark, and I'm gonna search for something else, say 160. I'm gonna choose it, and then as you can see, it's already prompted me with my RX 580 and my GTX 160. It seems that the GTX 160 is better. I can even find YouTube benchmarks which are much better. I can see right here all the information I would like regarding some games. As you can see right here, for example, GTA 5 performs better here, but CSGO performs better here, PUBG performs better here, and so on. Fortnite is relatively the same. This is ranking 96th, this is ranking 91st, and yeah, that's it, and goodbye.